So hey guys, hello and welcome back to another video. थोड़ा सा शेकी है, दैट स्टेबल. सो आज का व्लॉग होने वाला है बहुत ही मज़ेदार, बिकॉज आज का व्लॉग थोड़ा सा हट कर है. आज हम लोग जो करने वाले हैं वो है रिएक्शन वीडियो. रिएक्शन नॉट ऑफ एनी सॉन्ग बट अ रिएक्शन ऑफ other modified Apaches. Yes, you heard it right, other modified Apaches. Well, there are many modified Apaches, but we are not going to cover them all. We have finalized 3 top Apaches which are distinct to each other. They are of different categories. What are they? I'll show you. So ये रही प्रोफाइल उनकी आपके सामने. अब इसमें से आपको जो भी प्रोफाइल अच्छी लगती है, प्लीज़ गो डाउन एंड follow these guys also. I want to thank all 3 of you for letting me react to your bikes and mentioning it in my video. So वीडियो को आगे ले जाने से पहले ये रही उनकी प्रोफाइल्स, चेक कीजिए इन्हें. All these bikes are of different category and all of them are amazing. So we have divided this into 3 categories. One is street performance, which you can see right here. 2 is touring, and for complete sole purpose for touring, and third one is so heavily modified that everything on this bike has been changed. For example, this can tour. It has gone through several color changes. It has upside down forks. Yes, it has a USD forks from Duke. I mean, you can imagine it, how much effort and money has went into this bike. So let's move ahead and see this in detail. So let's get on to the first one. That bike is from Dheeraj Subramanian. So the customization on this bike has been done fully, right from the saddle stays to pannier, to the top box stand, crash protectors, everything, number plate holder, the number plate replacement holder, everything has been done by the Luvia Design. Yes, it is a company from South India which makes touring equipments for other bikes also, like Dominar, I guess. Yes, from Dominar to Apache to many other bikes, they have done these sort of things. Apart from these modifications, he has not done much on his bike. I mean, this thing is pretty much, and this has costed him around 17,000 rupees. You can check out the Luvia Design website and you will get a pretty much good idea about it. Now let's move on to the profile number 2, Milestone_Kapil Khan.
Why'd you like it feel this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is don't let it be. Away from me, away from me.
The bike modification he has done is amazing. No one has done this kind of modification on Apache. He has done an overkill on it, I would say, but the modifications are pretty neat and good. The visor to the touring kit and even the color. He has changed his bike's color 2 times as far as I know. बाइक के पीछे जो खर्चा हुआ है ना, उस पैसे में एक्चुअली एक नई बाइक आ जाए, इतना पैसा खर्चा हुआ है. बट ये जो खर्चे होते हैं ये हमारे दिल पे नहीं लगते, बिकॉज वी लव आवर बाइक्स एंड वी लव टू कस्टमाइज इट. एंड आई मीन, काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं कि एग्जॉस्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्यों चेंज कराया, अगर तुझको इतना पैसा खर्चा ही करना था तो ड्यूक क्यों नहीं ले लिया. आई हैव हर्ड ये ड्यूक क्यों नहीं ले लिया वाला सेंटेंस इन हीज व्लॉग ऑल्सो, उसी को किसी ने कहा था, कपिल खान को ही, कि इतना पैसा खर्चा किया है, अपसाइड डाउन फोक डाला है, तो तूने खुद एक ड्यूक क्यों नहीं ले लिया. सो दिस इज़ लव फॉर योर बाइक and the love and the connection you have with your bike, that's more important. Let's get on to the third profile. Well, this profile, it will take us some time to explain everything, because this guy has sent me a list of whatever of what modification he has done on his bike. I mean, this guy also have a YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. In the description box below, I have listed out every social media platform of these three guys. Once again, thank you for letting me react, thank you for letting me showcase these profiles and these awesome modified Apache RTR 200s. Well, this guy's name is Saini Gagan. He is from Himachal, I guess. He has done some awesome modifications. Yeah, so I would like to name some of them. Indicators, flasher, strobe light, I mean the tail strobe, bar and mirrors, performance changes. As I mentioned, this bike has been customized to perform better on streets. So these were the cosmetic changes. Now, steel brake lines for braking performance. Exhaust, he has done a full system exhaust on his bike. NKG spark plug, which is iridium spark plugs, good. I am going to install that on my bike too. Stay tuned for that. Twin silicon spark cable, I mean, for better efficiency. And I guess that might solve our cold start problem. I know you guys are also facing cold start problem in your Apache RTRs. So if you are facing, please comment down below, so that we also come to know कि ये सिर्फ हमारी बाइक के साथ हो रहा है या majority of you guys are facing the same problem as well. Air filter, carb jets वाला thing most of us don't do, but he has gone one step up and upgraded that too. And he is planning to do some more mods on his bike, which will improve his performance further as well. So the total cost of his modification on his bike has been 16 to 17,000, in that range, as he quoted me, कि इतना खर्चा हुआ है उनका उस बाइक के ऊपर. So yeah guys, I mean that's it for this video. If you want any more information about these bikes, you can definitely go in the link below, which I have given for the respective bike owners. And if you want to know anything about my bike, I have not mentioned in my bikes because you guys are pretty familiar with what all mods I have done on it. So this is Pumped Up Guy signing off for now. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.